Hello guys, this is Awesome Falcons 1 coming at you with another video, and today I will be doing a box opening of Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. It's a first edition box. Some cards I'd like to get out of here are some of those Constellar cards. Of course, Draco Sack, but from what I hear, I think it's 1 out of every 13 boxes has a Draco Sack. So, Crimea Riverman. But anyway, also I'd like to get number 107, which would be this guy right here. Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon. It's pretty interesting cards. And let's pop this sucker open. Like the video and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. "24 packs, so this will be a little bit longer than most of my videos. Alright, first pack. Dodeningu? I have no idea how to say this guy's name. Oh, a burner. Batman Boxer Switcher. Butchie. A rare Mechaphanabes Tetherwolf. Gaga Wind. Memory Loss. High Tide on Fire Island. Mechaphanabes Stealth Ray. Remember to check out my eBay page. Most of these cards, if not all of them, will be for sale. Little Fairy. Summon Breaker. Battle and Boxer Switch Hitter. Xyz Block. CXC's Dark Fairy Cheer Girl. And a super rare Duck Fighter. I think that's a super. Almost tricked me there. Not bad. Our first foil. Battle and Boxer Spar. Battle and Boxer Counterpunch and Panther Shark. I'm really hoping for some of those Dragon Roller cards. Those are very nice cards. Like them. Little Fairy again. Rebel the Star Adjuster. Eagle Shark. Five Brothers Explosion. Altitude Night. Battle and Boxer Headgear. Shark Fortress. Brotherhood of Firefist Leopard. And Tachyon Knight. I think I said that right. Another Butchie. Five Brothers Explosion. Dodo. I don't even know how to say that guy's name. Mechaphanabes Black Falcon. Fairy Cheer Girl. Shark Kraken. Or Shark Raken. Legendary Elen Trident. Radius the Half Moon Dragon. And Spirit Book of Miracles. Parsec the Interstellar Dragon. Fire King Avatar Grunix. Mermail Abyss Sokia. Fire Formation Caillou. Wheel of Prophecy. Lightning. Dragon Ruler of... what is that? Drafts. Too bad they're banned. Sonic Warrior. Panther Shark. Abyss Scale of Mizusi. What I've noticed about this set is the rare to holo ratio is pretty low. I think the average is like 6 holos or something from all the box openings I've seen. Unless you get like a freaking amazing box or something. Reactin, King of Feral Imps, Battle Unboxer Glassjaw, I think that's it. Jewels of the Valiant, Wheel of Prophecy, and a super rare Gear. I think that's a super, can't even tell. Supers are tricking me today. Memory Loss, High Tide on the Fire Island, and Mecha Phantom Beast Stealth Ray. Brotherhood of the Firefist Wolf, another Reactant. Bachi. Mind Drain. Ooh, I think I just saw our ultimate rare, number 69, Heraldry Crest. Rank up Magic Variance Force for our ultimate. I hear that's going to get reprinted a lot, though. Sort of disappointing. Spellbook of Miracles, Mimic, Battle Unboxer Counterpunch. Wolf, another burner. Little Fairy, or Aurora Wing. Go Gigas. Oh, tricked me there. Sharp Fortress, Leopard, Takawa Knight, Gaga Wind. I swear the cards unloaded the Tachyon are troll cards, making you believe there's some sort of secret or super rare behind them. God, this pack. Battle Unboxer Glassjaw, King of the Feral Imps, Starfish, Jewels of the Valiant, Blaster, nice, Aerial Recharge, Shark Raken, Blizzard Falcon, and a Stream. Almost through with this right side. We got 3 packs left. Fire Avatar Runix. Don't know how to say that freaking name. I'm gonna try it though. Dodnigu? Ningu? I have no idea, man. Mermail, Abyssokia, Fire Formation Caillou, Trifort Tessops, Sonic Warrior, Panther Shark, Abyss Scale Majesty, and Battle Unboxer Headgear. Mecha Phantom Beast Black Falcon, Award Ring, Magnum Shield, Xyz Block, Brother of the Fire Fist Buffalo, Mecha Phantom Beast Mega Raptor for our super, Battle Unboxer Spar, Dragon Incarnation, and Radius, a Half Moon Dragon. So I think I got an ultra rare, my secret rare, and maybe one more super left in this set here. Sorry about that. Burner, Dragon Roller Sparks again. Battle Unboxer Switchgear, Bachi. Oh, there's my ultra. Battle Unboxer Glassjaw, Ice Beast Zero Fine, Scramble. Don't even know what this thing does. Let me read it. If your opponent monsters on the field outnumber your non-token monsters on the field, tribute any number of Mecha Phantom Beast tokens, special summon an equal number of Mecha Phantom Beast monsters from your deck, shuffle them into the deck during the end phase. You can also activate 1 Scramble per turn. Pretty neat. Mimic, Battle Unboxer, Lightning. Now on to the right side here. Xyz Block, Shark, Another burner. Oh, I think I see it coming. I see Draco Sack coming my way. Go, 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 Gigas. Just kidding. Blizzard Falcon. Sonic Shark. Shark Fortress. Damn this card. Mecha Phantom Beast. Stealth Ray. Only one Dragon Roller, man. Sort of disappointed. If you haven't seen my other 10 opening of Title, I was pretty disappointed in that 10 too. Bachi Bachi Bachi. Mind Drain. It's actually a pretty decent card. Parsec the Interstellar Dragon. Fire Avatar Garunix. Heldry Crest, or Heldry Crest. Again. Memory Loss. Spell Book of Miracles. Radius the Half Moon Dragon. And Tatakawa Knight. Watch it just be my luck that I get no secret at all. Mecha Phantom Beast, Black Falcon, Little Fairy, Summon Breaker, Battle Boxer Switch Hitter, Wheel of Prophecy again, and Constellar Sombre for a super. I think that's our last one. Memory Loss, Steam, and Meijutsu. Starfish, Jewels of the Valiant, Wolf, a Reactant, Zero Ice Beast Zerofine, and Windrose the Elemental Lord for our secret. Not the secret I wanted, of course, or of everyone that wants to get it. The Draco Sack, the Lightning, Mimic, come on, some more Dragon Rollers to end out this box. So far it's been not that bad. Maybe I can get lucky with the Tachyon or something. Trifort Terrasops, Green Dustin, Leopard, Magnum Shield, Xyz Block, Glassjaw, Feral Imps, CXC's Dark Fairy Chairgirl, Blizzard Falcon, Sonic Warrior, Shark Fortress, and Mecha Phantom Beast Stealth Ray. I got like all the Mecha Phantom Beast super rares in this set except for Turtle Racer. The only one I'm missing. Another Reacting. There we go, Title Ruler of Waterfalls. Title Dragon Ruler of Waterfalls, I should say. Alright, we got two. The one's in the promos now. High Tide on fire. Starfish, Wolf, Black Falcon, Aurora Ring, another Buffalo, Leopard, Memory Loss, another Steam, Meijutsu. We have 5 packs left, or no, 4. Lied to you. Oh wow, this pack's being stupid. Another wolf. A blaster. Or, I mean, not blaster, burner. I wish it was a blaster. Little fairy. Big whale. And a fire formation Gyuku. Super. Battle Boxer Spar. Counter Punch. Formation Kite. And Panther Shark. Well, that's an extra super that I wasn't really counting for. Not the greatest. Sort of wanted that little turtle racer to go with all the other ones I got. Maybe I can get lucky. I've seen one video on YouTube where there was 2 secrets in the box. Maybe we can get lucky here. Interstellar, Runix, Mind Drain, Do a Barrel Roll, High Tide on the Fire Island, Green Dustin, and the Mimic. Two packs left. Glassjaw, Runix, and there's a Rhino, Tryon, Half Moon Dragon, Spellbook of Miracles. And for our last pack of this Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy box, remember to check out my other box openings I've done. Greatly appreciate it. Eagle Shark. And the burner. Let's finish off good. Oh, I think I see it. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Harpy's Phantasmal Dragon. I actually wanted that card. That was cool. Another C105 Boxer, Battling Boxer Comet Cetus. This is another Ultra. Aerial Recharge, Gagaga Wind, and Tatakawa Knight. These are all our little baby dragon rollers that we pulled over here. And they organize them for you. So we pulled 3 lightnings, or no, 3 lightnings, 4 reactants, 3 steams, and 6 burners, even though they didn't all come up there. For our rares, we pulled 2 dragon rollers, which I set aside over here. The 2 that are in promo now, the Blaster and Tidal. Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. Rhino. Do a Barrel Roll. There's Buffalo. CXC's Dragon Fairy, Dark Cheer Girl. I don't even know anymore. Trifort Terratops. Ice Beast Seraphine. Wheel of Prophecy. Number 69. Go-Go-Go-Gigas. Another Seraphine. Buffalo. Trifort Ceratops, Go-Go-Go-Gigas, another 69, Wheel of Prophecy, Fairy Chairgirl, Altitude Knight, another Dark Fairy Chairgirl, and a Mecha Fan Beast Tetherwolf. And then our hollows, we got another, I already have one of these in Ultimate Rare, it's up for sale on my eBay, but C105, Fire Formation Gaiku, our secret, Windrose the Elemental Lord, Constellar Sombre, Scramble, Mecha Fanabees Mega Raptor, the Rank Up Magic Variance Force, Gear Duck Fighter. So that does it for my box opening of Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. Please remember to like and subscribe. This is Awesome Falcons 1, signing out.